Hello, my Dory fans. This morning I was back at work. I had to fix one thing, but otherwise it was just mostly helping people answer some questions they had whilst they were away on holidays. Maddie made me tasty and delicious breakfast, even though we had a slight bread shortage, which inspired us to go shopping. She was able to leave the flat. She's not quite cured, but she is improving, which is good. Here's an empty basket. Here's Maddie wondering if she can put something in, me telling her to. And then here I am walking back up the stairs because I was playing Pokemon on the way back, which meant I didn't have time to film anything else except for right at the end of the walk. Had some OJ, did some more work. This was most of the afternoon. Thankfully, quite a chill first day back. Sometimes they can be quite stressful, as loads of people have all these burning questions to ask me. But not too much today. Maddie made tasty teriyaki chicken and rice and broccoli. Well, tender stem broccoli. And then we played a bunch of WoW in the evening. It's going well, I think. Anyway, hope you all had a good day. Adios.